One of the most important questions that has been asked in an interview is why should we hire you? Now, for the person who is having some experience, he can tell about the success stories, his or her achievements in the previous company organization, and he can impress the recruiter. But the difficulty will come with the person who is a fresher, who is very new to the job. He will not have success story to tell, will not have any achievements because he is new, right? And it's very obvious. Now, how to answer if you are a fresher? If suppose you are very new to the job, this is the first job interview, and you face this question. This is very common question, and definitely most of the recruiter they ask at the end of the interview, why should we hire you? Now, I'll give you a very simple three-step answer. Based on my experience and even after reading some of the psychology of the hiring manager or the recruiter. So here is a script which you can use, but make sure that you are not using it. It should not look like fake. Actually, you have to mean it, right? You have to believe in that script. Then only it will make any sense. So here is the script. Like you can use these three sentences, basically starting with. If an interviewer asks you, why should I hire you? So, sir, I know that I am not different. There may be other candidates who are better than me. I don't know, but I am very passionate about what I do. I have a hunger to learn, and that is why you should hire me. I show my passion towards work, and I make sure that whatever the assignment or whatever the work is given to me here, I will fulfill it on time, and I learn from the best. And you can add that if you give me an opportunity, I'll make sure that your decision will not go wrong, and this is how you can answer this. Very, very plain, very simple answer. And it should come from the heart, not while mug up. You should believe in that, because as a fresher, as a person who is very new to the industry, your main focus should be on learning the things from the best, from the experts of the industry, and this is how you can answer this. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.